Hello. Okay, so for the problem you had a question on, to find the T critical value, the first problem says you intend to estimate a population mean with a confidence interval. You believe the population to be normally distributed and your sample size is 38. While it's uncommon for a confidence level to be this value, because usually it's 98%, 95%, they want us to use this. Now, in order to use the TI-83 or 84 calculator, first we take our confidence interval, rewrite it as a decimal, 0.973, and then we need to find area. When you're talking about the area under the curve, like if we have, oh shoot, I want to change stuff. No. Okay, so our 97.3% would be here, and it breaks evenly. If the 97.3 is in the middle, then we need to find out how much would be on each end. That's why if we subtract it from 1 and then divide by 2, because both ends will have the 0.27, but we also need to divide it by 2. That tells us how much is on each side. Because when you're using this formula that we're going to use on the calculator, you're using the percentile. So you need the percent below from here over, not the top part. And so if we take 0.027 and divide by 2, it means that there is 0.0135 here.
Please, no.
And 0.0135 here. Notice that will all add up to 1. Oops, let's write this as a decimal since I wrote the others as decimals. So if we add all these up, they'll add up to 1. We want from here
We need well, I got
and below.
Booski. Yeah. Wait, how do we get that?
So up to this is our area.
I can reach it, but...
And that's why you get 0.9865. Degrees of freedom is your sample size minus 1, and our sample size was 38.
Where's the controller for it?
Now to find the t value, bring up our calculator. It's distribution, so you hit second and variables because you want the distribution, and then it's inverse t. So we need to go down to number 4 and hit enter.
I think we need...
And then we found the area to be 0.9865. Degrees of freedom, n minus 1 is 37. Down. And you paste it, and then you hit enter one more time to find the value. And the answer is 2.303. Thank you.
Wait, where is it?
Okay, how do I stop recording?